Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how to see how many contacts you have in Snapchat. So let's open Snapchat. Now tap on your profile icon.
There you can see my friends, tap there, and you can see all of your friends here. The bad news here is Snapchat don't have a count for your friends and you have to count them manually, and this is not so cool. Okay, anyway, if you have less friends, you can give it a try. So in my device, with my text size, I can see 14 friends at once. So I multiply the screen view with 14 into 1 like 14, and second scroll 14 into 2 28, and third scroll 14 into 3 42, and fourth scroll 14 into 4 56, likewise. Okay, let's finish this graph here. And if you have large number of friends, then this is not possible, so let's do it proper way, but we need to use Excel sheet for counting. And sorry guys, can't do it without Excel, so let's do it. On your profile, top right corner, click the gear icon.
Scroll down and you can see my data. Yeah, tap there. In this page, provide your password. Here, scroll down and you can see submit request. Tap there. Then wait for the email. Okay, so after a while, when I check my Gmail, I got the message from Snapchat. Let's open.
Here click the first link to download your data. You can download it in PC also and in mobile also. These steps you can do in your PC also for more convenient, but you can do in your mobile also if you have Excel. I am using Google Drive and Google Sheet to read the data.
Okay, so our download is complete. Let's open the file. So in this folder, click on HTML and you can see friends HTML. Tap there. Open with Google Chrome. Okay, so in this page, let's copy everything. Select all and copy. Now in your device, open Drive. Let's create a new Excel sheet. Okay, now let's paste whatever we copy. So we have everything here. So I'll just remove whatever we don't want. Okay, let's make this page a little bigger. Let's remove these rows. Remove the top 2 rows only. Okay. Okay, now let's scroll down and see how many friends we have. Check if any gaps are there. Okay, so I have 463 friends, and after this, these are the friend requests sent by me. And these are the deleted friends. So anyway guys, now you know how to find how many friends you have in Snapchat. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.